So for Gondh style of art, these simple birds, I'm just coloring it with poster colors. I'm using poster colors and I'm painting it with different colors here. So after painting, we'll be giving the lines and strips to the motifs so that they look like moving. So first we have to paint it with different colors, and then we'll give the outlining with black. And also the Gondh style of art has uh, small lines or dots on it. It looks like the bird is moving, so it makes it very attractive. So first I have given different shades to the different parts of the birds, and I've shaded the leaves and all these things. Then we can do some outlining, and we can give lines to the leaf, and we can draw some lines and patterns and designs on these birds that makes the bird very beautiful. So this kind of Gondh style of art was used in Madhya Pradesh by the folklore. On the walls, they painted these kind of motifs on the walls: animals, birds, and even flora or mythological patterns, mythological designs. So like this we are going to complete. In the next video I'm going to show you how to complete it with patterns, and here I'm going to shade blue color for this circle, and then let's see.